What if one of the best locations in all of Folsom wasn't just a place to live, but a lifestyle you could walk to? Imagine stepping out your front door and being 1 block away from the energy of historic Sutter Street in Folsom. Morning coffee at your favorite cafe, dinner reservations without ever getting in a car, live music, boutique shopping, and community events that make historic Folsom one of the most beloved destinations. And when you're craving the outdoors, the American River, bike trails, Black Miners Bar, paddleboarding, kayaking, and miles of recreation are all just moments away. Built in 1945 and thoughtfully reimagined over the past few years, this home perfectly blends the character and charm that make historic Folsom so special with the modern comforts today's buyers expect. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice how the light fills the home. Original character meets contemporary design in a way that feels intentional, warm, and timeless. At the center of it all is a beautifully designed chef's kitchen that's more like something that you'd find in a beautiful custom-built home. The quality of craftsmanship is evident at every turn, from the custom cabinetry, designer lighting, to the beautifully renovated bathrooms that feel sophisticated and inviting. But what sets this property apart is something that's almost impossible to find in historic Folsom: a newly constructed, almost 1,000 square foot ADU, complete with 2 bedrooms, a full bath, a full kitchen, and a separate living space that opens the door to endless possibilities. Whether you're looking for multi-generational living, a private retreat for guests, a home office, an income-producing rental opportunity, or simply additional flexibility for the future, having a detached ADU of this size and quality in historic Folsom is exceptionally rare. Throughout the year, historic Folsom comes alive with events including the Pro Rodeo Parade, historic district festivals, holiday tree lighting, the ice skating rink, art walks, concerts, wine strolls, craft fairs, and countless community gatherings that turn neighbors into friends. Few places offer this level of connection, charm, recreation, and convenience all in one location. And almost none of them offer it with a fully renovated historic home, a detached ADU, and one of the most walkable lifestyles in all of Folsom. This is a rare opportunity to own a true piece of historic Folsom while enjoying the benefits of modern living. Welcome to one of the most special homes to come to the market this year. Welcome to historic Folsom.